Hello, welcome to 2.3 day 1. Here's your goal and steps for today. We're going to be writing small values using scientific notation. First, we're going to locate the decimal. Then we're going to move the decimal till we create a number between 1 and 10. Then we're going to count how many spaces we moved and rewrite the new number in base 10. So last week, the last video you guys had, we had bigger numbers. Today we are going to be having small numbers, little decimals. Again, vocab is the same as yesterday. Scientific notation, we're just making big numbers or even really big. Small numbers, small again. Now we got these numbers. So yesterday we had big numbers like 2,000. 2,000, and we had to move the decimal 1, 2, 3. So it's 2 times 10 to the third. Today we have really large decimal numbers, and these are the only difference between this number and yesterday's numbers is the exponents are going to be negative. If you have a small number, your exponents are going to be negative. So let's move the decimal. So here's the decimal. I'm going to go move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because now I have a number between 1 and 10. So I have 6.72 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be the fifth, but since it's a small number, it's a -5 final answer. Here's another one. So let's move that decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. I can't stop 1 early because that's 0.3, and that is not a number between 1 and 10. So it's going to be 3 times 10 to the, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the 9th power, but don't forget it's a -9. Small numbers, negative exponents. Big numbers, positive exponents. Here's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't go 10 because that's 42.1. So we need a number between 1 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to stop right there. 4.21 times 10 to the -9th. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that is it. Let me know if you have any questions.